Hey everyone, Marty Mortgage back for another video. Today we're going to be talking about the loan estimate. It's probably one of the more significant disclosures that you're going to be receiving when you get your initial disclosure package. The loan estimate outlines your entire loan. It goes through your loan terms, it goes through all your costs and fees, and basically everything involved in your entire loan. You want to review that very, very carefully. There's different sections which we're going to outline in the loan estimate. You'll notice that your loan estimate is broken up in very different sections. The first section that you're going to come across is a summary of your entire loan. It's going to outline the date, your name, the address of the property, the sales price of the property, what your loan term is, 15-year, 30-year, what the loan type is, whether it's FHA, conventional, or non-conforming. It's going to go through all of those, and you want to review that carefully to make sure everything is correct. The second section of the loan estimate outlines your loan terms. That outlines your loan amount, your interest rate, your monthly principal and interest payment, whether or not you have a prepayment penalty and what that prepayment penalty actually is, and whether or not you have a balloon payment feature on your loan. So the third section of the loan estimate outlines projected payments. And what that is what your payment will be from year 1 through year 7, and what your payment will be from year 8 through year 30 of your mortgage term. Those are different payments because different payments apply towards principal and interest during those times. Also, it will outline your escrows, whether or not you have escrows, and what your escrow payment will be to cover taxes and insurance. The fourth section of the loan estimate is called cash at closing. That is going to outline your closing costs and what your full cash at closing is going to be, to include your closing costs and your down payment. The second page of your loan estimate outlines your closing costs. Section A outlines your origination charges. These are all your lender fees, including any origination charges or points that you're paying, application fee, underwriting fees and commitment fees, etc., that the lender might be charging you. Page 2, Section B, outlines services that you cannot shop for. This is an important section for you guys to understand. These are all the lender fees that are required to complete this transaction. And those are appraisal fees, those are credit report fees, those are tax search and service fees. All fees you can't avoid, and all information the lender is going to need to complete the transaction. Page 2, Section C of your loan estimate outlines all the services that you can shop for as a borrower. And those are title, survey, inspections involved with the property. Those are all services that you can shop for, and I suggest that you do. The last two sections of page 2 go into other costs and summary of your full closing costs. Other costs are taxes due, government fees, prepaids like homeowners insurance and upfront mortgage insurance premium, and any other fees or costs that might be related to your loan. And then it summarizes all of your cash needed to close. The first section of the third page of the loan estimate goes into comparisons. It outlines your interest versus your principal paid in the first 5 years of your loan term. It also shows your APR, or annual percentage rate, and that is the amount of interest and fees paid over the life of your loan expressed as an interest rate. It also shows the total interest paid, and that's the percentage calculated of your total interest versus your principal loan amount. The last two sections of page 3 go into other considerations on your loan, which outline other areas in the loan for you to consider, like an appraisal may or may not be required, servicing rights on your loan may be sold and transferred to another lender. That outlines those particular items, and there's a section for you to sign and acknowledge that you confirm receipt and understand the loan estimate. If you guys have any questions about the loan estimate, want to learn more about it, please reach out to me. You can reach me anytime. Find me on Facebook at Marty Mortgage, find me on Instagram at Marty Mortgage, and find me on YouTube at Marty Bronfman. Talk to you guys soon.